Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is where I am using the text blob, in which we also use the spell check and translate the text. So first, you will have to install this library, pip install text blob. Then you import this library from text blob. Import text blob. T is capital and B is also capital letter. So it's working. Then I have taken that text. Tx is a variable name where I pass the sentence. Welcome to MS Astro Guitar. Then next I have taken new variable and where give the text block and pass the tx variable name. Okay, now it's working. It also working. Next, I want to see the bl dot correct, means I want to see the output. This output is correct or working or not. So it give the text block. Welcome to MLS to guitar. Next, this is the text which is I have downloaded in the Google. You can also download it, and this is the all paragraph. Next, this paragraph, this is the variable blob bl. Then pass the text block is a inbuilt function, and where I pass the argument, this is the text. I pass this text. Next, I want to see that it is the working, give the output in proper way. So it give the text block. This is the text block, is give the name text block, where it is use the parenthesis and double quotes is give the all paragraph in proper way. Next is I want to see that there is any sentiment. So there is the sentiment, show the polarity is 0. Minus 0.159 and subjective is 0.69. Sentiment, in the Python there is program mostly used by using the Facebook, Instagram. So in after some time I will explain you about the polarity and subjective. Next is noun phrase, how much the noun phrase in this paragraph. So it show the, so there is it give the word list is a titular 38 blob. These are the ultimate movie. This one titular की जगह it give the titular is it use the titular, and thread same thing is thread. Likewise, artificial intelligence, run, all these are the noun phrase. Okay. Is it how much correct word? Same thing. I have taken new variable where I pass the bl dot correct, means it is working is the same which I have passed before. This one. So it's working same text block. Then all these are paragraph. Next, use plurality. Plurality is used for the decimal point. It also output always show the in decimal point, or it is also divided into two. Minus one is show for the negative point, and only one show the positive. So 0 minus 0.1, it means plurality is negative. Then subjective is 0.69. So this is the subjective. So there is how much statement are positive and how much is negative. It show the convert the into sentence. So this is the sentence is a parenthesis. It use the parenthesis bracket, then parenthesis and double quotes. It show the sentence, convert into sentence. Next, it show the sentence into how much the print is a correct is a variable in dot words. So what it work that it split the all sentence like a the tabular thread. It split all the sentence. Next is want to see the word count, means how much the how much time the use, how much time tabular is used. So it give the number, and also it show you dictionary. Then tabular is also used one by one time, and like all these are used one time. There is a is used for two times. All these. Next is a variable. Then I want to see the tag, how much tag. So it give the tag in the use for dt. This one the it give the tag in dt, tabular in jj, and also struck in vbn. Same thing is the is also udt. Ultimate is used for jj. All these are the tag in every sentence. Next is the translate the text. This is the paragraph. This one is a paragraph. I want to change into convert into Hindi. It translate into Hindi, French, or other language. So this is not working in my Jupyter book. You can try it if by using the different notebook like VS, Google Colab, or ideally you can try, because in my case it show the error in every. I have tried in every notebook. So you can also try it. Otherwise you can also try it. It work also same, but there is a. So this is a variable where I pass the text block and then pass the sentence. What is going on is the sentence. Then it b1 dot translate. It translate from which language. This is the English language. This is paragraph is English language. It convert to is a ta means Tamil. If I want to in the hi means Hindi. So it give the output क्या हो रहा है. Second is fr. is a French language. So Q C pass hyphen T then IL. So you can try it into different language likewise. So this is the program. Hope you like it.
Thank for watching. Please subscribe the channel.